Hey guys, I'm Andrea. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things online business and social media. If you've been watching my recent posts and staying up to date, first of all, thank you so much. And second of all, you would know that I recently did a video about how to use Facebook and a little step-by-step tutorial for you guys. I noticed a lot of comments on that video asking if I could do a tutorial similar to that for the new update coming in September for Facebook. Yes, Facebook is switching their whole look. They're giving us some variety, switching things up, you know. It's a good thing, but also it can be confusing. So I hope that this video can clear up some confusion for you guys. And we're gonna give a whole new step-by-step tutorial for this new format coming in September, which will be required of all of Facebook's users to switch to. All right, guys, with that being said, let's get started. I'm gonna jump over on my computer. Be sure to hit the like button. Thank you so much, and let's get started. All right, guys, let's get started. I am in Facebook now, and I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough. This is the new layout that is gonna become, I guess, mandatory in September that we're all gonna have to adapt to. So I like it. It's very clean. I don't think too many things have changed, which is good, but there are definitely a few big changes. A couple of the major ones that I noticed are trying to navigate to Business Manager and the Ads Manager. That definitely has changed. It used to be that you would click this arrow up here if you wanted to get to your Business Manager, but now it's in a different location. We're going to go over that. I'm also going to go over with the Groups tab and how to get to your groups and what has changed in there. And yeah, so let's get started. All right, guys, so we are on the home page, and you should be here whenever you go to facebook.com. It'll come up on your personal page. So this is my personal page here, and I'm on the little home. If you want to navigate to other pages, like let's check out what's up here. This is Watch. So Watch, I think is going to be a big part of Facebook. They're already starting to incorporate it a lot. Watch is more like Facebook's video platform, so it's going to be kind of similar to YouTube but on Facebook. And let's just go to it. Okay, so here is Watch, and it basically, there are shows here that you can go to. When you're on the home page, it shows the videos that are recommended for you. So I don't know why it's showing gamer ones because I'm not a gamer, but usually it will recommend videos here for you. So I just clicked on shows. I'm gonna show you guys what's in shows. And basically there's like episodes on here. It's kind of becoming like TV, I guess. And I think that they're gonna start pushing this even more this year. Trying to compete with YouTube, of course. So then there's the live. You can see who's live right now. Under watch list, you have all of the people that you follow and their videos. Felix has 9 new videos, so we can click on that and see what he's playing. It shows his most popular videos. And then there's more down here. So then Marketplace, we have Marketplace here, which is basically, that is like OfferUp. If you've ever used OfferUp, it's a place where you can sell or buy things on Facebook. So that's pretty cool. Like, look, there's even like apartment listings. I didn't even know that, but that's cool. And then there's the group tab. So if you want to go to your groups, that's a quick way to get there. It's just all in this top bar on your screen. So groups, these are like recommended groups or like activity from the groups that you're in. If you want to find a particular group, either that you manage or that you're a part of, you can just simply click in here and type it in. So let's say Color by Felix Academy, and it will pop up right here. And I guess since we're here, I'll show you guys the layout of groups. So nothing has changed too much in groups, which is great, but I actually really like the new layout of the groups. It makes everything pretty easy to navigate. So we have announcements here. We have on the left side, that's where everything's gonna be. You can see your member requests. You can see pending posts, the membership questions that you can edit for new members when they wanna join. They have questions that they need to answer. So that would be these. And then we have settings, insights, and the admins and moderators. So you can edit all that. Then here's like the media. It shows basically any pictures or videos that have recently been posted, which is pretty cool. All right, so let's go back to the home page for now. So that's groups. Nothing has changed too drastically. Just a different, fresher, cleaner layout, I guess. So we're back home now. And as I said, this is my personal page. So you can access your messages. These are your personal messages on Messenger up here. And then here are your pages. You can always edit this. If you have a page that you moderate or that you're a part of and you want it to appear here, you can edit your shortcuts and put it here so it's easier to get to, which is a really cool feature. So I'll just click on the Felix K page. We'll just go to that. So this is personal right now. So I just clicked into Felix K. Now we're gonna go into my page. So, well, Felix's page. So now we're gonna see the layout for pages. So this is the view of behind the scenes on a page. So if you want to see what it looks like for visitors, you can click view as visitor. It will show you what everyone sees when they come to your page. They have Facebook shop here where you can add any products if you have. There's another way to get to groups, which is here. You can see the groups that are associated with your page. And then this is the inbox for the page. So this is different than your personal inbox. This is the inbox where people would send messages to Felix through this page for the Felix K page. So to get to managing your ads, this is where things are a bit different. So you would click on Ad Center. So let's finish going through this first. Actually. So this is your inbox. You have the Creator Studio, which is mainly for creators. So like if you want to post a video for Instagram and Facebook, you can manage that through Creator Studio. You can see the insights for your page. You can edit the info or the settings, stuff like that. So now let's go to Business Manager. So we're going to go home again. And if you need to search for a specific friend or a page, here's the new search bar up here. This right here is basically your status update. If you want to post something like a photo or anything like that, this is for your personal page. So this is going to go to all of your friends that are friends with you on Facebook, not your page. This is just personal stuff. Another feature that they have is called Rooms. So this is where you can do like a video chat. It's basically like, it could be like a Google Hangout. I don't know if you guys have ever done that, but it's like basically a video chat with multiple people. You can create a room and chat with your friends. So I think that's pretty cool. So now we're gonna figure out how to get to Ad Center. So that was a bit confusing because that totally changed places. So on the other Facebook, it used to be on this little arrow. Now when you click on the arrow, it doesn't show up anymore. Like you can switch to dark mode. That's another cool feature. Like if you wanna switch to dark mode, I'm gonna do that right now and show you guys. So it just makes it dark basically. That's like if you prefer that layout, I guess. I prefer the light one, so I'm going to switch it back. So that shows you guys that the Business Manager is no longer there. So where is it? All right, let's go to see more here on the left-hand side. And again, these are all just like, there's multiple ways to get to things on Facebook. So this marketplace is also up here. This watch is also up here. So a lot of these things are multiple. There's groups again. Groups is up here. So games are up here. So there's multiple ways to get to things, which is nice because it's really personal preference. So anyway, to get to Business Manager, you have to go to Ads here, click on it. And then next you say, looking for advanced tools, go to Ads Manager. So then we go to Ads Manager here. For the longest time, I could not figure out how to get to Business Manager or Ads Manager, and I finally figured it out. So I hope that this could help you guys. If this is helping you, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Okay, it's loading. All right. So you can switch your account here to drop down menu for whatever ad account you want to manage. You can create ads here. I'm gonna exit out of this. So then to get to Business Manager, you go here now, Business Tools. Click here And all of the tools that were in the Business Manager before are now here. So there's business settings, billing, audiences. So you can choose all this stuff in here. You can look at analytics. All of this is right in here now. So that's where you would go. So let's just go to business settings so I can show you guys what that screen looks like, and then also how to get out of there, because I know a lot of times it's like it takes you to this page and then you don't know how to get back to Facebook. And I remember that was like a struggle. So I finally figured it out and I want to share with you guys. So now you select your business. So I have multiple businesses, I guess, because I have my own page and then I have Felix's and then we have another page. So you would just choose which one you want to work on. This is all underneath my personal account. See, my personal account is right here. But once you're here, say you want to get back to the main Facebook page. So you would just click on this button down here that says Facebook. And that, my friends, is how you get back to the main Facebook. So I think that covers everything. And I hope that this video could help you guys, give you a quick little tour of the new Facebook coming in September and get you guys prepared for what's to come. So I hope to see you guys again soon, and thank you so much for being here. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I hope that this video could provide some value to you, help you out today. If it did, please be sure to give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button while you're at it to be notified when I post a new video. If you have any questions or any topics that you would like to hear about next, please be sure to leave a comment down below. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.